Hi students, the topic of today is about monologues. We're going to see characteristics of the monologues. The first part is about what is a monologue. Monologue is a speech presented by a single character, most often to express their mental thoughts aloud. We have three types of monologue. We have drama, comedy, and interior. The first is dramatic monologue. A dramatic monologue means self-conversation, speech or thoughts which includes interlocutor presented dramatically. It means a person who is speaking to himself or someone else speaks to reveal specific intentions of his actions. We're going to watch an example of dramatic monologue.
From that, right? We've been texting all day because we couldn't wait to sit in front of this new air conditioner we bought. The Cold Front 8000 with a K.
So, now we're going to see comedy. Comedy, it is a theatrical technique always performed by a single person, usually standing up and without any special decoration or wardrobe. We're going to watch an example of a comic.
Blind date. Okay, that's where single people go to die. Okay, and besides, I don't have time for it right now. There's a lot going on with my acting career right now. Sort of. You know, I met with the new agents, and I did that line on season 1 of Dexter. So what if it was a long time ago? I mean, I got to build on that gig. You know, I got to stay in that fight. It's like Nick said to Rocky. Women, weaken legs, rock. Anyway. Oh.
Now, we're going to check interior monologue, the expression of a character thoughts so that the audience can witness or read in literature what is going on inside that character minds. We're going to check also an interior monologue. So, what type of monologues have you seen? You can comment in this video, comment your monologues or what do you prefer. Thank you for your attention.